Top tips for success in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is a traditional and proven way to manifest wealth over a long time frame. It can be hard to start investing due to market complexity and uncertainty. Watch this video for tricks and tips to help you improve your performance. One way to reduce your risk with investing money in the stock market is to practice diversification. You can do this by investing in a wide range of companies from tech stocks to blue chips. Also invest some of your money into bonds. The easiest way to practice diversification is to purchase mutual funds. You should compare stock prices to a number of factors in order to truly assess the value of any stock. If you are trying to determine whether or not a stock price is over or undervalued, consider the price to earnings ratio, cash flow, and related factors. Also analyze the sector or industry the business is in, as some sectors grow slower than others. Keep in mind that investing is a business, not a hobby. You're doing this to make money, not for fun. Anytime you're doing something regarding your investments, whether it's getting a magazine subscription or investing in a new stock, you need to sit down and ask yourself whether it's going to help you make money, or if you'll lose money from it. Regard your stocks as if you own a piece of a company. When assessing the value of stocks, evaluate the business by analyzing their financial statements. You will need time to decide whether or not to invest in certain stocks. For some fun in investing in stocks, take a look at penny stocks. The term applies not just to stocks worth pennies, but most stocks with values less than a few dollars. Since these stocks come dirt cheap, even a movement of $1 or $2 can yield major dividends. This can be a low-cost way of learning the markets. Avoid timing the markets. Historically, investors who leave their money in the market for a long time achieve the best results. Determine how much you can afford to invest every month. Start making regular investments and dedicate yourself to repeating the process. To make your stock market investing more efficient, try a good stock management software package. Tracking stock prices and trends can be much easier when you use your software to generate the information you need. Add your own personal notes for company information and analyze your data regularly. The cost of these software products is worth the investment. Don't let your emotions play a part in your investments. Remember that this is a business and you're in this to make money. You can't let yourself make bad decisions that are solely based on your emotions. Learn to separate your emotions from your decision making so that you can have a clear mind. As mentioned at the beginning of this piece, stock market investing can mean both great reward and significant intimidation. Keep this video in mind, as you start or continue to invest. Applying what you have learned will help you to make more money in the stock market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.